top crash test evaluations and an extensive variety of cutting-edge impact shirking gear helped the 2018 Subaru Impreza score extremely well. Rarely, in other auto pros, are well-being scores. The 2018 Subaru Impreza procures good grades from government and autonomous analyzers and offers an extensive variety of cutting-edge well-being gear at a sensible cost. It's a 10 out of 10, with no place for development. Each adaptation of the 2018 Impreza comes standard with a rear-view camera, 7 airbags, automated stopping devices, and solidness control. Programmed transmission, premium, sport, and limited trim levels can be additionally overhauled with the brand's EyeSight suite of well-being tech that incorporates versatile voyage control, forward impact admonitions with programmed crisis braking, blind side screens, dynamic path control, and backcross activity. Alerts.Those highlights helped the Impreza acquire the top Safety Pick Plus rating from the IIHS, though with a couple of reference bullets. The halogen headlights on base, premium, and sport trim levels rate just minimal, contrasted with the worthy and great scores posted by the two levels of LEDs accessible on the limited. The Impreza pros the IIHS most requesting tests, including another traveler side little cover frontal test that is a necessity during the current year's best honor. The NHTSA, in the interim, gives the Impreza an uncommon 5-star grant over the board. All Imprezas have an agreeable inside with great stretch-out space for detachable travelers. Hatchbacks are especially comfortable for load and offer a helpful rooftop rack that asks for a couple of off-road bicycles, a kayak, or a few snowboards. Indeed, even the base trim level is very much completed inside. Yet no Impreza's inside outline is particularly inventive. All models gloat great infotainment and standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Subaru offers a suite of cutting-edge security outfit like programmed crisis braking, dynamic path control, and versatile journey control as discretionary hardware on most CVT-prepared Imprezas. Marked as EyeSight, the innovation functions admirably and is accessible at a lower cost than in many contenders, albeit a few adversaries have begun making this rigging standard. We trust Subaru will take after soon.